Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix error 0x80070043. The network name was not found. Step 1. Open Group Policy Editor. Open the Start menu at the bottom left corner of the screen. When the Start menu opens, type Group Policy into the search bar. Observe the list of results and select Edit Group. Wait for the local Group Policy Editor window to open. Step 2, navigate to Logon Policy. In the local Group Policy Editor window, locate the left panel. Find and expand Computer Configuration. Continue by expanding Administrative Templates. Find and select System. Locate the list of entries below and select Logon. Step 3, enable Network Policy. In the right panel, find Always Wait for the Network at Computer Startup and Logon. Open this entry to view configuration options. When the new window opens, locate and select Enabled. Click Apply to save the changes. Click OK to confirm. Close the local Group Policy Editor window. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Start menu. Type Run into the search bar and confirm. When the Run window appears, type %10% into the search bar and confirm. Click OK to open the temp folder. When the temp folder opens, locate an empty space within the window. Execute the command to select all files in this folder. Delete the selected files and confirm if prompted. If some files cannot be deleted, skip them and proceed to the next step. Step 5. Restart your computer. Open the Start menu and access the power options. Select Restart to proceed with rebooting. Wait for the computer to complete the restart process. After restarting, check whether the network issue has been resolved. After completing the steps above, check your network drive to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, try disconnecting and reconnecting the drive or reviewing your network settings. Thank you for following this guide and good